have a secret path in my Boogie Bot build. First, let's show you how it looks. The rest of the thought is like this. Here, perfect. Oh, one thing there. Oh, perfect. Let's go here. Taking some of this. Put it like this. Or inside. Okay. Here. Did I break something? Oh, here. Perfect. And now we're gonna go to respawn. Here. And this, we're gonna go here. It's the rest is off. I have to, oh, there. Now. We're going. So here's the interior, and we can. Absolute, I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? These don't have to be there. Perfect. But this is the end of the video. Bye guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to like to.